How to enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop lock filtering on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Developer Options. From here, scroll down, and in here, tap on Bluetooth HCI Snoop lock filtering. Now make sure at the top here you choose Enable Filter. If you simply just select Enable, then some of the options in here will be grayed out. So select Enable Filtered, and then down here you can choose Bluetooth HCI Snoop lock filtering. From this page, you can choose to turn on or turn off, leave only ACL headers, filter A2DP media packets, or filter RF-COM channel. So switch it off or turn on by tapping on the toggle button. And that's it. Here's a turn Bluetooth off and then on again for changes to take effect. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.